Cabinet Minister and Phulbari MLA A.T. Mondal has stated that the much-awaited Dhubri-Phulbari bridge would be India's second longest bridge over water after the Mumbai Trans-Harbour link and will bring immense economic benefits for the people of Garo Hills and the state as a whole. The Dhubri-Phulbari bridge, to be completed by 2028, will be 19 kilometers long and the work is going on in full swing. Meanwhile, Mondal also informed that the state government is trying to establish a road and railway corridor from Mahendraganj to Hilli in Bangladesh.
Work is going on in full swing in a very good speed, and we are expecting that it will be completed within the stipulated time given as per my interaction with the L&T people. And this will open up, and this will be only route to reach to the main land through the western part of the state, and this will immensely benefit the entire state and especially Garo Hills region.